In new class action lawsuits, more than a dozen patients say Vanderbilt University Medical Center released some of the most intimate details of their personal lives.
This comes after Vanderbilt turned over transgender patient records to the state attorney general. It was part of an investigation that a U.S. Senate committee has since said was a misuse of the AG's power. News 2's My Owens digs into the new lawsuits and shares the latest.
They didn't give us a chance to opt out. They didn't give us a chance to chime in.
Last year, News 2 sat down with Kristen Chapman. She's the mother of a transgender teenager who received gender-affirming care at Vanderbilt University Medical Center. Chapman said she was very happy with the care, but felt betrayed by the hospital after finding out Vanderbilt turned over medical records to the Tennessee Attorney General.
They knew exactly what they were exposing us to, and they didn't even bother to let us know we were in danger.
Tonight, more civil lawsuits filed against the hospital, with more patients coming forward sharing their stories. The class action lawsuits claim VUMC released some of the most intimate details of their private lives, including pictures of private body parts, gender identity unknown to others, mental health information, and the identity of intimate partners, all given to the Attorney General, and did not inform its affected patients.
You know, all those things can be things that can be discussed with doctors. And the fact that this information was given over to a government agency without any notice or attempt to make it anonymous is really desperately concerning to our clients.
Right now, there are two different class action suits, one of them filed by patients who were told their records were released to the Attorney General, but in reality, they never were. Now they claim this caused them unnecessary emotional distress.
It had a duty to let its patients know that this was going on and to protect that information, and they didn't do it.
In 2022, Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti launched a medical bill fraud investigation, stating they were solely looking at VUMC and related providers, not at patients or their families. But the lawsuit says the hospital should have pushed back on the AG's request.
Medical information was turned over without any notice to our clients and without the opportunity for them to challenge the AG's broad request for their personal sensitive information.
The lawsuit also points to growing tension centered around the LGBTQ community, stating after patients were told about their records, the nonprofit organization Rainbow Youth Project received hundreds of phone calls from families going through mental health crises, including suicidal thoughts. And I reached out to Vanderbilt University Medical Center. The hospital maintains they acted appropriately and in accordance with state and federal law.